Hello everyone! Today what we will be introducing will be the Clasp, magnetic clasp bracelet from Pandora. So this actually belongs to my 9-year-old girls, and we actually bought this last year during November, and I believe it was newly launched at that period. However, we actually bought two. The biggest size, which is the 18 cm, is giving us some problem with the clasps. So we actually had it sent back to Pandora for servicing. Currently, they have informed us that we'll be able to do a 1-for-1 exchange. Right now, what we're having here is the 17 cm, and so I'll let you take a look because we'll be likely sending this back for an exchange also, since this is also starting to give us some problems. So for this bracelet, what they want, we bought this actually so that it will be easier for the girls to wear it on their own. So we just simply have to push it, this sliding portion. Just push to the side. Personally, I didn't really like these clasps. I think I may not be able to push it as well as my girls do. So this portion is the magnetic part, along with this blackened. Yeah, so if you can see, clasps, and just have to slide it. That's it. This could be a piece of history, a retired piece maybe. Well, that's all for today. And thank you. Bye.